For the quadratic equation, how to do is, okay, first thing you need to remember is this formula. An square plus bn plus c. Okay, so we have three different sections. Okay, I know there are many different ways to do this. Okay, but ultimately I find this method as the most the less risky one. Okay, it's the least risky one. All right, so n is here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, we know that this is when it's t1 it will be 3, t2 will be 9, 17 and 27. And then this part all of you are very familiar, whereby you just minus. So 27 minus 17 you get 10, 17 minus 9 you get 8, 9 minus 3 you get 6, and then you do again, so it's 2 2. Okay, now similarly here tn is equals to an square plus bn plus c. So when n is 1, okay, you get a plus b plus c. When n is 2, you get 4a plus 2b plus c. And similarly, you get this one and this one. Okay, how I get all these things is basically I substitute the 1 inside the n. Okay, because all these are the n, right? And then if you notice, what I do on the left side, I do the same on the right side. So I minus. So 16, this equation minus this equation, what do I get? 16 minus 9, I get 16 minus 9, I get 7a plus b. Okay, because the c cancels out, 4b minus 3b equals to b. Okay, here I get 5a plus b, 3a plus b. Similarly, I minus 2a, 2a. So if you notice, okay, this one and this one is the same. So we can know that a plus b plus c equals to 3. Similarly, the top one, 3a plus b is equals to 6. And finally, 2a and 2, okay. Alright, so I get 2a equals to 2. So which one is the easiest to solve right now is the a. So a equals to 2 divided by 2, I get 1. Okay, now that I know that a is 1, okay, I can solve this one. Okay, so 3, 1 plus b equals to 6. So b equals to 3. Because 3 bring over 6 minus 3, I get 3. Okay, and then finally, since I have a and b, okay, I can have 1 plus 3 from the ABC plus c equals to 3. So c I get to be, here is 4. 3 minus 4, I get negative 1. Okay, so this from here, I have my a, I have my b, I have my c. Remember my previous formula? An square plus bn plus c. So in this case, I just substitute inside n square plus 3n minus 1. Okay,